Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to record on PowerPoint. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. First of all, open PowerPoint on your computer. Select whatever presentation you want to record. From here, just click on record right over here on top right corner. You can also click on screen recording by clicking over here. I'm going with this option right over here. Click on record. Now you can record your presentation. You can also point out something you want to point out like this. Move your presentation by clicking on the screen. Point out something in colors. You can choose various colors like this. You have to click over here. I forgot to tell you. You have to click over here on this red icon and the recording will start like this. If you want, you can point out something like this. There is a drawback, you can't move backward. Okay, I think the recording is completed. Click on export video. Okay, let's see the video. As you can see, the video will look like this. That's not bad. So that's it for the video. That's how you can record PowerPoint on computer. Thanks for watching.